How to clean your DE filter. In-ground pools. Turn off the electricity to the pump motor. Loosen the air vent at the top of the filter tank. Bump the handle approximately 10 times or more to loosen the DE inside the tank, with the air valve still open. Remove the drain plug at the bottom of the tank and loosen the trim line ball valve union if you have one. Turn the handle to the on position. Bump the handle as the DE is draining and continue to do so as the water is draining free of DE. Disconnect the union in between the pump and the filter. Disconnect the return lines from the filter. Remove the filter from the base. Remove the top cover, brown or blue, by knocking it off with your hand. If your filter head is attached with bolts, remove the bolts from the filter head and place them in the cover. Mark the tank body and cover with a magic marker to ensure putting them back in the same position upon reassembly. Remove the filter head by pulling it straight up and put it aside. Prepare your solution of Bare Strip and clean water following the instructions on the bottle. Do not use muriatic acid, as this will harm your filter. Before soaking the fingers on the filter head, spray them off with a cleaning wand attached to a garden hose to remove any large debris. Submerge the fingers and tube sheets overnight in your solution of Bare Strip and water. The following morning, thoroughly rinse the fingers and tube sheets with clean water. Reassemble your filter by lining up the filter head with the marks on the tank body. If your filter head is attached with bolts, reattach the bolts so that the nuts are on the top side of the filter head. When tightening bolts, do so in a star pattern. Replace the top cover. Place the filter back onto the base. Reconnect the union in between the pump and the filter. Reconnect the return lines to the top of the filter. If you have a trim line ball valve, turn the handle to the off position and then tighten the trim line ball valve union. Replace the drain plug. Tighten the air vent. Turn the electricity back on. Replenish the filter with the required amount of DE as soon as the power supply is resumed. Now you have truly cleaned and degreased your DE filter. As an alternative, Teddy Bear Pools offers this service for a fee. You can bring your filter in and pick it up when it is ready, or have our service department pick it up and deliver it back to you. Remember to always read and follow label instructions on pool chemicals and products.